Alright, welcome to the speed build and a bit of a thought/review on the Luke's Landspeeder. Luke Skywalker's Landspeeder, sorry. First things off the bat, I gotta say, it's weird that LEGO bragged so much about this being popular demand and the fact that they released it because it's somehow popular demand among LEGO fans. Whilst that may be true, it is also more of a meme than something I think fans actually wanted. And because this is such a meme, I definitely will be making my own personal list of ships I think LEGO should actually make into UCS sets, and definitely think that they should have made before they made this one. And I am definitely not looking forward to particularly the really large stickers, and just the fact that there's a ton of stickers on here in general, but really I'm not looking forward to these big stickers. That looks like it's going to be a pain to put on and get right. But with that, we still got this one, so might as well build it. It does look good, I'll give it that. So I'm excited to build it, and I will give my thoughts on this right after we're done with the speed build. And with that, I am sure you know how the buttons work down there by now, so do click them as you please. Let's get to the speed build for Luke's Landspeeder. Here we go. Alright, it's done now. Now on to the review. So, as you can see, I have left the sticker sheet off here and purposefully left off a few stickers. There we go. And I think the only ones that I'm going to be putting on for sure are these front ones here, and then basically everything in the back, these engine stickers, all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, all 13 of these different stickers that are for these 3 different engines, I am leaving off. I am just going to leave them on the sticker sheet and store them with the instructions because I don't really think they're necessary. Honestly, I think it looks just as good without them. The only ones that I think are really necessary are these ones here in the front, because I think that little wear and tear looks really nice, personally. So I'll be putting those 2 on, and of course the 3 that I did also put on were the little control panel one and then these side ones that go into the tubes there, because I think those ones look nice and those ones were necessary. Basically just, 4 or 5 stickers that I actually want to put on this. The rest I'm leaving off. That's my personal choice, but yeah. With that, I just quickly want to say, it's not that I don't like stickers. I genuinely don't have a problem with them, and I don't think that complaining over the stickers is too big of a deal here, but I will say, for such an expensive set, it is quite a bit of stickers. And I'll leave it at that. So, let's move on. Let's get to the actual set. Yes, this set is a meme. And I think it's very funny that it is. It does look good. It definitely looks good. You can't deny that, honestly. It really does. But the problem is that they could have made so many other ships before they made this one to sort of give fans something to look forward to rather than this. But I hope that with this set, this weird set, they actually listen to the community, because I personally don't know where they got their data from, and I would love to know that, how they came to the conclusion that this is the set that Star Wars fans wanted the most out of any other set. I need to see where they got that research from and that data from, because I don't think that's true personally. But with that, again, I think I said this in a past video or two, I will definitely be making a list of Star Wars ships and places and droids and stuff that I think they should make UCS sets of that aren't this. And yeah, it does look good. It doesn't look bad. It is like a cool ship, but it's not the coolest. It's not the one I would have picked first. Personally, I think I would have rather had a lot more other different ships first before this one, but that's okay. Anyway, so actually talking about the set itself. So yeah, it is, I mean, it's very swooshable, I guess, for a UCS set. There is that. I'll definitely give it that. And of course, I can't overlook this giant custom window piece that's probably never going to be used in anything else, unfortunately, but I think it does really complement this set very well. And I might just have to get some more of those big Technic guys. I'll show you what they look like, just so that I can put them in there and have them look like C-3PO and Luke are chilling in there. But yeah, I think that's definitely a goal for this set. But I will say, overall, this set is definitely worth putting on a shelf. It's not a bad UCS set. It looks good. It displays well. I think the only thing I would really want is something to be able to adjust this display, even if it's just a tiny bit. I know that's technically not how the Landspeeder is supposed to be level to the ground, but I think it would have helped a lot if we could have just, had a little bit more rotation in it, in the stand. Other than that, though, stand aside, the set itself, pretty good, honestly. I think the only thing that really brings this set down is the fact that there could have been other ones, that there could have been other ships, there could have been plenty of other places or locations, other things that they could have made from Star Wars into UCS sets before this one. That's really the downside of this set. It's really showing that LEGO doesn't actually pay attention to its fans, because no one asked for this really. At least I didn't. I definitely didn't see anything on their website saying, oh, go vote on the next UCS Star Wars set. And that happened with the gunship. Not this. No, 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 no. So, unfortunately, we have to bow to the designers and what they actually probably want to make and design. So, until we can actually start making strides in the community and telling LEGO what we want, I think this is as bad as good as it's gonna get. All that aside, I think it's a pretty good set. I don't regret purchasing it. I'll probably end up selling this one, honestly, over some other sets that I have that are Star Wars UCS sets. But I have it, and I don't regret it. And that's really the biggest part of this, I think. So I think it's worth getting. If you do like the Landspeeder and you like the original trilogy, this is definitely still worth it. It is a good set, not too expensive for what you get. It's a lot of pieces, a lot of bricks, so not really a lot of Technic if you wanted to part this out. It's got a lot of really nice colors in it. So yeah, overall, pretty good set. I think my final score on this is probably gonna have to be, you know, I'm hesitant to give this a 4. I think it has to get a 3 out of 5. Those 2 extra points they get, it really brings it down when you realize that LEGO just doesn't really listen to the community, and they brag about this set being something that they researched for the community to get, which is very interesting. So with that in mind, this cannot get above a 3 in my eyes, but it's a very, very solid 3 out of 5. So worth getting still, worth looking at on a shelf, and of course I can't also overlook the custom C-3PO figure with that nice leg, nice silver leg for the first time. That is very nice. The only thing I have to say about the figures is that it's really nice that we got a nice custom minifig for this ship, but again, it really sucks that LEGO did that, because they basically said they wouldn't do that with the last Star Wars UCS gunship. Funny, but still, maybe LEGO changed their mind because so many people said something. Regardless, it's okay. I'm okay with the custom figure personally. I just think LEGO needs to make up their mind and be honest about it. With that, I really hope LEGO is both more honest with us in the future and actually listens and watches videos instead of, I don't know, going to the comments or something. While the comments are useful, I think the people making the videos are generally putting more work in to asking LEGO what they want than the people who take 10 seconds to type a comment into a video. That's all I'm saying on that. Maybe get your research from better places. Anyway, thanks again for watching. I'm sure you know how the buttons work down there by now, so do click them as you please. Mr. HiYodaPanda, out.